Hey guys, so just a quick thing about older Toyotas. This is maybe from 1985-ish to early 90s. You might have a situation where the car is just dead, there's no power to anything. Most common problem with that is the alternator or fusible link fuse, which was in here. It's actually here. See, this whole fuse is toast. That was the casing for it. So this fuse blew. That went right there. This happens a lot when people hook up the jumper cables backwards. It'll blow this fuse. And then you have no power to anything. You might have power to some things like the door, power locks, something like that, but overall the car won't start. It won't even turn over. This car that I bought, actually the guy said it was dead, but it turned out to just be the fusible link here. And I tested that by connecting the two broken parts, and then everything came right up, just to test it. So, and this actually goes in here, and then you can go down to your local parts store, get one of these. It's about $5. It goes in here, but you can't just pull it out. It's actually bolted here. So you have to pop this part out, unbolt both sides, then you can pull out the fuse, put in the new one, and you're good to go. So I'll show you it once it's all back together. So here it is, the car is now running. The new fusible link, or what people call the alternator fuse. That's the ABS fuse, which was blown. This one actually still works, but it's missing the cover. That's it. It's for $5.